Good morning. This is Kay with Photonic Therapy Institute, and I'm back with Dancing Danny to do another PowerPoint. Some of our most favorite acupoints that we activate with light, aka photopuncture, to help with a strong and healthy and vibrant, healthy dog. And Danny is an example of that. She's an older girl. She used to be a show dog. She's had 3 litters of puppies, and now she's a perfectly healthy, happy, sound ranch dog. And she runs all over 60 acres and bosses everybody around. So the point that we want to talk about today is governing vessel 14. Now GV14 it's a very powerful spot for helping with strong top lines. So this is an older dog with a long back, and we know that long back dogs can end up with all kinds of back problems, lower back pain. They can be weak in their top line. A lot of times you'll see an old dog that's kind of sagging, and you can see her top line's pretty good. So GV14, we just take and run our finger down the spine till we come to that divot at the top of the shoulder blades. Okay. On us, this is right where when you run your fingers down your spine, it's that knot at the top of the spinal cord. Very powerful point. And it's really easy to light up. Just come down here. On your horse, this is right in front of the withers. Still, same thing on the dog. It's right in front of the withers. And it's really great for helping to pull energy all the way along the spinal cord, to release the neck and the shoulders, to improve range of motion in the front legs. Any exterior type issue. So this is along the spine. It's a yang point. When we talk yin and yang, yin is kind of internal and underneath, and yang is external and on top. And this is the most yang of all yang points here on the dog. It helps with all of our outgoing and outermost issues. You can see she's starting to kind of lick her lips there and blink her eyes. Another way to use this very powerfully on a weak back dog is to combine GV14 and a point we looked at previously, which was Ba Hui, in between the hips. If we do these 2 points together, we're literally pushing energy up and down the spinal cord. So very helpful for dogs with hip dysplasia, weak hindquarters, things where the information isn't making it from one end to the other very well. Notice, still works as she's laying down. It's easier to find the point when they're standing up, but if they choose to lay down, you can just keep your torch there. This is also a great point for the immune system, okay? I was talking about range of motion. On us, this is that point where we hold all the tension in our back, and it may prevent us from full range of motion on our head. Same thing with our dogs. If you have a dog that can't turn its head very well from side to side, this is one of the points we use with helping them to have full range of motion, okay? For helping them to be able to do full extension with their front legs. Notice that even though this is an older dog, she has beautiful front extension. This is one of the points, GV14, that we use for that. If you'd like to learn a lot more about helping dogs to stay healthy with photopuncture and light therapy, we do have an online course. It's called Introduction to Light Therapy for Pets. And our whole program is called the Photonic Pet. We have a combo available through the end of the month that is our Introduction to Light Therapy for Pets plus our 2-torch kit. Normally it's $7.99. It's only $6.99 right now with the promo code PTI Holiday. So if you really are passionate about keeping your animals healthy and moving well, and maybe even working on other animals, take a look at Photonic Therapy Institute and our pet education and torch kit bundle. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.